Hello, I'm Marlo Kanipe, the owner of Deserved Comfort House Cleaning in Columbia, South Carolina. We've had our business for a little over 34 years, and during that time, it's been a constant struggle to try to find the right training program for our cleaning technicians. We want one that's comprehensive, yet current, and that can keep up with today's quick changes. Most recently, I found one called the Professional House Cleaning Program that's offered by Modern Cleaning. It is an in-depth training of the vast responsibilities of cleaning technicians. It covers the basics, but also goes into things like safety, health, and science of cleaning. It will also focus on methods and procedures and tools. It helps technicians feel like they are true professionals. They can take the course at their own pace. They can take it in the office. They can take it at home, on their phones, or desktop computers. And at the end of the course, they can take an exam, which if they pass, they will get a certification of completion, which makes them feel even more like a true professional. It's a great way to train your technician, and I highly recommend it to those companies who want to make sure that their technicians are well educated, professionally trained, and they want their business to be the best of the best. So check it out, Professional House Cleaning Program. It's really a good thing.